Hey, this is Marjorie, and you know, a conversation that's coming up in my friend circle, and even over at the forums at the Grow Network is, do we need government? Like, we've got the governments on the planet right now, very clear, they are not in service of their populations. Actually, they are trying to kill us. And if you think about it, even without sounding like a conspiracy theorist, I mean, wars, genocide, you know, these things are all created by governments. Governments are the largest killers on the planet, and now all of our governments are quite frankly insane. And so when you say, well, there's no government, then it's going to be anarchy. And you know, at first I was like, oh my God, that's a scary word. But I'm thinking about it, and I'm like, we have to be so careful. We've all been so programmed. I mean, for decades, right? With the movies and with the news and with the stories and the books and the media. And you know, the word anarchy usually is kind of bringing up the Mad Max scenario, right? And people running around with guns, and or maybe the what is that video game they have, Grand Theft Auto, right? And I am sure that as our government, and our government is going to collapse, everyone's government is going to collapse, right? Because that is the natural consequence after you go through hyperinflation. You do have a collapse of your government. It usually takes a couple of months, and then it's over. And yes, during transition, there's going to be all kinds of bad actors and crazy things happening. But ultimately, you know, I have been looking into what is anarchy, and honestly, it looks pretty good. And again, you have to really overcome programming and say, what really is it? And I'd like to invite you to an event I go to, which is Anarchapulco, which is where a whole bunch of anarchists gather. It's the second week in February, and it's in Acapulco, as you might imagine, in Mexico. And I have to say, you know, I do a lot of traveling and a lot of presenting. Well, actually, I've kind of quit in the last year. I just got so burned out on it, but for years. So Mother Earth news fairs and prepper festivals and the Greater Reset and the Red Pill and the Survival Game and, you know, all the different places that you can, you know, to go to be prepared. And great events. They're all really, really great events. One of the things that I love the most about Anarchapulco, though, is that at a lot of events, there's a lot of people who are just waking up now, right? And the first reaction is anger. They're really angry and they're upset and they feel betrayed, and that's absolutely appropriate. At Anarch, what's one of the biggest differences is a lot of people there have already been understand what's been going on. They've been knowing about it for years, perhaps even decades. They're kind of past all the anger. They're like, let's enjoy every moment while we can, and I'm here to pick up some new skills. I'm here to pick up some new information. I'm here to learn. I'm here to have a really good time. It's in a fantastic outside garden venue, really, really beautiful, and everybody's just like super available. So, you know, I'm down there wandering around with my, you know, with my water bottle, and I'm doing the hula hoop class or whatever. You know, I'm meeting, running into people and talking to people, and pretty much every speaker that's there is really highly available. And it's just really chill. It's beautiful, beautiful, shade-covered, large, like I don't know how many acre garden with manicured paths and sit areas and special places to meet, and food is really good. So I've got a coupon code for you down here. It's Anarchapulco. Come, you know, come. Last year I met several of the Grow Network members, and it was so cool to connect up with people personally, share a meal, you know, spend some time together, what's going on in your life. And people show me their, their food growing pictures all the time. I love to see it, and give them encouragement. And yeah, just a time to share and connect. And 2024 is going to be a big one. So this would be a good event to go to really get your mindset. So Anarchapulco 2024, come, the link's down below, and let's come and hang out together. All right, I'll see you there.